Hey guys, what's going on? Checking back in with my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see today, I'm up about $4 or so. Overall, I'm still down about $28 after initially investing a little over $6,000. That $28 deficit is due to this trade I made here. Pfizer, I bought it when it was 37. It's now down to 35. Put quite a bit of money in, bought 50 shares. So $1,800. Overall, I'm down 97. So kind of jumped in and bought that at the wrong time. I think it's a solid stock. I'm going to hold on to that. I'm going to play this one long. But still doesn't look good looking up at my total return and seeing a negative number there. Still trying to diversify. Like I mentioned before, I'm a new investor. I found Robinhood being a site where I don't get charged to trade individual stocks. I can kind of jump in with low capital, buy just a few shares of different stocks, play around, and try to develop a portfolio. Sort of the reason I'm posting these videos. One viewer, Neil, suggested I take a look at real estate investment trust. So again, being a new investor, I don't know too much about these particular entities. From what I understand, they're sort of like mutual funds or ETFs for real estate, essentially holding companies or companies that own, income producing real estate. Um, so it's kind of a way to give small guys like myself an opportunity to invest in kind of a diversified portfolio of income producing real estate, is from what I understand. Um, One of the suggested REITs I take a look at was this Stag Industrial company. I guess it's a company based out of Boston. They invest in individual single tenant industrial properties and try to produce an income for their investors. They give a monthly dividend, is from what I understand. So I thought about maybe jumping in and diversifying my portfolio by buying a couple shares of that. So let's take a quick look here. This is sort of real time. See if I can spell it correctly. There we go. So Stag Industrial. Looks like currently it's trading at 24.51. Down a bit today, 0.5% over the last week. It's kind of been up and down, although it's kind of a low volatility. 1 month, 3 months, looks like it's up a bit here over a year and 5 years. Actually, 5 years it's up quite a bit. So I thought about maybe jumping in and buying a share of this. So let's just go ahead and buy one share. So at 24.51, I'll just buy market price. Haven't really talked about the different order types here. Market is essentially jumping in and buying it for whatever price it is. Limit, you can kind of set a upper limit of the maximum price you'd like to buy it for. And these other more sophisticated metrics here, stop loss and stop limit, these are ways of kind of buying the stock when it's moving. So by limiting losses, you can specify a price. If it goes down by a certain amount or a certain percentage, you can go ahead and sell that particular stock. So I'm just going to go ahead and buy one share. I'm just going to buy it market price. Let's see here, 24.51. I'll buy one share of that. Let's just go ahead and buy that. Good. So that's now added to my portfolio. We'll kind of see how that does. I hope Neil's not trolling me here on this stock. But anyway, so now we have Stag added to our portfolio. It'll take a couple minutes here. Trading is live right now. It's right at the end of the day. So let's see if that comes back before the end of this video. So yeah, went ahead and made a trade for Stag there. Kind of a real estate investment trust, right? I guess that's what it's considered. At least a company that's basically invested in real estate. As I said, for this particular company, individual single tenant real estate that tries to provide a monthly return for its investors. So we'll kind of see how that works here. Yeah, overall, still trying to diversify. Got some pharmaceutical companies up top. Really haven't done much with financials. A couple industrials here, car companies, Ford and GM, some railroads here. Really want to get into some utilities. And on the bottom here, some bond funds that I put some money into. So yeah, that's where my portfolio is currently standing. I hope you guys let me know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, any suggestions, any stocks that are looking uh, like they could be added to my portfolio. Let me know. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update here in a couple days, kind of see where my portfolio is at. Hopefully I've made a couple more trades in that time. But yeah, subscribe, give me a comment, let me know, again, what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. A new investor here, so any help is greatly appreciated. So thanks, see you next time.